Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative of the function. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can put about s to the power of 3 over 5. Next, this is about the quotient. So we apply about the quotient rule of derivative. So that means if we have the function like this, a over b, so if we do first derivative, we do first derivative of a multiplied by b minus first derivative of b multiplied by a over b squared. So we can apply about this one in here. So this one we have the power 2. This one we do first derivative. Later that we multiply by this one. Minus we do first derivative of this one multiplied by this one. Next, we have the formula for the power in here. So if we do first derivative of this one, we will have about n multiplied by s to the power of n minus 1. So we apply the formula in here and here. So for this one in here, we have 6 over 7 s to the power of 6 over 7 minus 1 minus 11 over 2 s to the power of 11 over 2 minus 1, 15 over 4 s to the power of 15 over 4 minus 1, 7 over 3 s to the power of 7 over 3 minus 1. This one, we have 3 over 5 s to the power of 3 over 5 minus 1. So this one is about negative 1 over 7. This one is about 9 over 2. This one is about 11 over 4. This one is about 4 over 3. This one is about negative number 2 over 5. And that is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.